Hey there, mathematicians. I just want to quickly overview with you what you're going to be working on today. This week we've started systems of equations. If you'll remember, before all of this happened on Friday, March 13th, we did an activity together in class where we talked about different outcomes with systems of linear equations. There can be one solution, there can be no solutions, or there can be infinitely many. So hopefully through our activity that you already did this week, you kind of refreshed your memory on that. You can also go back into the Schoology assignment that we did together in class in March, and you can look over that because that had some examples that might refresh your memory as well. Today, you're going to be working through two things. The first, you're going to do an edge elastic with just a couple questions. Again, it's not a grade. I just want you to be able to check in, do a few of them, see right away how you're doing. Some of them you are looking at graphs and determining what the solution is. And on one or two of them, you are going to have to use the graphing tool on Edge Elastic to actually graph lines and then find the solution. Play around with it. If you have questions, please let me know, but I believe we've done this before, so hopefully it seems familiar to you when you get into it. After you've finished that, then you're going to go on to another Desmos activity. This one's a little shorter than the last one, and it's about gym memberships. The one thing I want to note on this one is on slide number 4, I wrote it down. On slide number 4, you're going to actually put in the 3 equations for the gym memberships, and then it'll graph the lines for you. I want you to be really careful that on the left-hand side of your screen, there's going to be kind of the coding spot where you put everything in. You're going to enter your equations in lines 4, 5, and 6. You're going to put one equation in each of those lines, and your equations have to begin y equals, and then the rest of your equation. Once you've got those, it should graph your 3 lines for you about the different gym memberships, and then you can go from there. Do not delete what is already written on some of those lines. It's more of a coding structure, so there's pieces in there that you're going to need to leave alone and not mess with for everything to work out. So you're only going to be typing into line 4, 5, and 6 of the coding box. Again, it'll be on the left-hand side of your screen, and then the grid will appear on the right-hand side, but really most of your screen. When you're done with that, go ahead and submit it. And I am going to go through once we've all finished the Desmos, and I can leave comments for you and you can go back and check over those. As always, we're going to have our virtual office hours every Tuesday, Thursday at 2 p.m. They're optional, but I am there available to answer questions. The nice thing when we do that is I can screen share, so I can show you how to use some of the graphing tools if you're struggling. I also have a document camera that I can show you my work. I've got a giant whiteboard I can pull out. So it's a little more interactive than these wonderful videos where I'm just talking to you and we don't get to do a back and forth. So if you have questions, if you just want to pop in and say hi, I'm available. You can get to that through the Schoology conference tool. Go to Math 7-8, your course. On the left-hand side under updates, materials, a little bit way down, click on conference, and then you'll be able to join anytime after 2 o'clock when I start that. And those last till about 2:20 or 2:30, depending on how much time you guys need. I miss you all, and I hope you have a wonderful day.